Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. And as you can see, this is my MagScroll connected to my phone. Android. I don't know if it will work on Apple, iOS. If anybody wants to send me a old, doesn't have to be new, an older iPhone, no matter how old, that has preferably Type-C connector, would make it easier for me. I could try it if it works on iOS as well. Here we have it on Android. It is powered by the phone, and look what it can do. You can flip through the pages. Mind you, this code is the regular scroll code for the PC. So for the phone, I might have to slow it down or make it not as sensitive, because as you can see, it is pretty sensitive right now. So if you have it on your home screen or on the regular, what do you call it, menu, you can go left and right. But if you, for example, open TikTok, I did turn the volume down because I didn't want no copyright strikes. You can go to the next video. Look at that. No more flicking with your finger. I know this is probably maybe nobody will use, but and I know the LEDs, maybe people don't want that either. You can change it in the code, just turn them off. I actually, as this MagScroll has also an accelerometer sensor, you could tap it like I do on the volume to mute it, and you can tap it and then turn on and off the LEDs, but I have not written the code for that yet. And this actually, I had a friend come over and I was telling him about the MagScroll, and then she asked if it works on a phone, and I said it probably will with an OTG cable. But guess what? This is just a regular power data cable. It works. Here, this is actually an OTG cable. I tried it with that. This is of course a little bit overkill. It works with that as well. And it even works with a small adapter like that. And I'm sorry, but it's at night, almost 11 o'clock p.m. So that's why it's darker here on my desk. It even works with that. With this little guy, obviously it's not practical because you put load on the USB connector, because on the MagScroll the connector is a little bit higher, so it doesn't fit height wise, but it does work with this, and I will show you as well in case there are people that don't believe me. So it even worked without an OTG cable. Normally you used to have, or you used to need an OTG cable to connect a mouse to your phone. I don't know if it's something Motorola did, if it's something with no, we have Android 15, I think now. If it has to do with that, but it does not need to be connected with that, and I'll show you that. Let's unplug this, and you probably believe me that it works with this OTG. Let's try this little connector. It powers up. I know I have an animation. I will make versions without animation, without LEDs. And look at that. How cool is that? And I, of course, now will order some short USB Type-C to USB Type-C cables, like this one, but shorter a little bit. And then if you want to watch TikTok, you can use that, and I'm sure it will work with many other apps as well. Let's try. Let's open Facebook. Yep. It's just loading slow. It works. Let's open Instagram. That actually loads slow as well. Oh, here you have smooth scrolling. Well, it's a little bit choppy, but again, that's not the fault of the MagScroll. Maybe open this up so you can see it better. I'm holding it like that. So Instagram scrolling, what we have else? Twitter, not X, Twitter. And this is just a picture of a Technics music system like in the old days I used to have. I'm not sure, there were many different models, but I used to have a stack like that for listening to music, and of course it works here as well. So on these you have smoother scrolling. On TikTok you get the next video. I just love it. So I think that's pretty neat. And let me go into settings, what happens there. We got scrolling too, but it's very short. And I told you it has an accelerometer. I could use this to use as a mouse as well. How practical is it? I don't know. But you could have a cable like that with a spiral cable and have your phone on the table and use the MagScroll to air mouse, and then if you tap it you could click it. So I think the MagScroll just opened up a whole new world that you can use it with, and you can write your own code. You can use ChatGPT, for example. If you don't know exactly how to write code, you could use that to help you with it. And I really like it. I just have to make it a little bit slower. Or maybe you have like 15 home pages, then it might be good, so you can scroll fast back and forth. And now actually, let's see what happens if I close the phone, since it's a flip phone. Okay, it's now booting up. Okay, it does not work here, but that's okay. It probably would need a special special authorization to work on the outdoor display. But this is just but for anybody who likes LED animations, I think it's cool. It really is. And you can see here the MagScroll has a higher port. It would almost work if you wouldn't have the LEDs to have it flat, but then every phone is going to be different because every phone thickness is different. So the thicker the phone, the higher it will get, because normally it's in the middle of the thickness. And but how cool is that? Please leave a like if you like it, and please leave a like if you don't like it. How about that? And I'm on Kickstarter. Check the link in the description. Get one for yourself, for your family. Buy 2, buy 3, buy 6, buy 12. The more the better. And who's not gonna like this? Who's not gonna like this? Tell me. Anyway, Well, you could use it with a tablet, maybe not much sense for a phone, since you can open all the apps and then just flick the works here as well in the App Store. What is it called? App Store? No, not the App Store. Speaking of App Store, oops, Play Store. Oh, look at that. Smooth scrolling. Awesome. So anyway, this was it on a Monday night. If you have any questions, requests, whatever, leave them in the comments and I will answer them. And check out my Kickstarter. Tell your friends, please. Tell your friends, because this thing is awesome. It is awesome. Get it. Ugh. So, this was it. I wish everybody a great week. Adam and Pete, all my best to you and your families. Pete, say hi to your mom. Adam, to your whole family. I appreciate you guys. And that's it. Have a great week, everybody. Take care.